An electric vehicle company from California with a vision to accelerate innovation for humanity. Today, we are unveiling the stunning pure electric Jax crossover utility vehicle. Jax, which stands for Junior All-Terrain Crossover, is positioned as a fun utility vehicle for 4 passengers on an electric platform, combining versatile all-road performance, durability, and clean power. It comes in a 4-wheel drive or front-wheel drive system with a towing capacity of 839 kilograms, 1,850 pounds. The Jax can go from 0 to 60 in 6.5 seconds. The vehicle is intended to be equipped with a 75 kilowatt lithium-ion battery with an estimated 250 miles of range. Jax also features a number of advanced interior features, including a drive-centric digital speedometer, a digital center display, ergonomically bolstered seating, and audio speakers, all designed for replaceability. Jax strongly demonstrates the range and versatility of the Alpha ACE product line and is designed for consumers looking for solid 4-wheel drive performance without the carbon emissions. You can now make an online reservation for the electric Jax by going to alphamotorinc.com, where you will find a selection for the Jax CUV. Thank you.